Very good morning, dear students. Dear children, in the last class we started the chapter, it is geometry. There you learned that how to drawing the lines or line segments. What is mean by line and also line segments. By using line segments, you have constructed different closed figures. Those we called as plane figures like polygons, triangle, rectangle, square. Then you learned the different forms of polygons like pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nanogon and also decagon. Dear students, today I am going to explain a very simple plane figure. It is called circle. How to draw the circle, what are the terms, what are the words we are using in circle. It's very interesting and you can draw the circles very easily. You just follow the instructions which we are given today. Okay, shall we start? Yes, dear students. First, the very simple geometrical plane figure, it is circle. First, I would like to explain how to draw the circle. In earlier classes like 2nd standard, 3rd standard, you learned to draw the circle by using coins or by using bangles. Dear children, here in 4th standard, you no need to use those objects, but you should use the object or the tool which is provided in your geometry box. It is called as compasses. What we are using to draw the circle, it is compasses. It is, we always say that it is pair of compasses. You found in your geometry box. Here we are using the compasses like this. It is having two arms. One is having fixed point, needle, and another one is another arm. It can hold the piece of chalk. In your compasses, it can hold the pencil. Okay, so this is the pointer. We have to keep it on the board or on your notebook, and you should not change this position. Dear children, when you are holding this pointer, when you are keeping it on your notebook, again and again, don't take out and change the position. When you are fixed for a point, you should not change it. Okay, if you change, it will not in the shape of circle. So here I am keeping the pointer at the same point and drawing the circle. Afterwards, I will explain how to take the measurements. How to take the measurements and drawing different lengths, different radius of circle. So dear children, observe this. Now what is the shape? Definitely says that it is the shape of circle. Exactly, it is in circular shape only. Here I would like to join this point. Okay, the point. This is called as center of the circle. Center of the circle. The circle is nothing but it is a simple closed figure bounded by closed curved line. It is bounded by curved line. Okay, it is having, circle is having no sides and also no vertices. Vertices are nothing but corners. Observe, dear children, the point, the fixed point, on the fixed point where the circle moves for the definite amount of length, then this point is called as center of circle. Center of the circle. The point where the middle point, where the circle moves around this point, it is called as center of the circle. Suppose if you want to join any point on the circle, to the point or the center of the circle. So this is, so now I am joining center of the circle we considered as O, and this point on the line on the circle it is A, then the length OA, it is called as radius. What we have called the distance between the center of the circle and any point on the circle, it is called as radius. For any circle, the radius remains the same. Wherever you can join the center of the circle and point on the circle, the distance remains same for every circles. Next, suppose if I am continuing this radius to the another end. So this is OB. Here I am drawing another line that is from O to B. So this total length AB, total length AOB, AB, it is called as diameter. Diameter means it is a line joining two points on the circle. It passes through the center of the circle. Then that line we called as diameter of the circle. Observe, dear children. So here this is the center of the circle. For the center of the circle, we can draw infinite number of diameters. N number of diameters. How much you can want to draw it, you can draw it. And one more point. So this is any point, any 2 points on the circle. So P, Q, this is the Q. Any 2 points on the circle, if you are joining by using a line, then that line we called as chord. So PQ is a chord. Chord is nothing but it is the line joining 2 points on the circle. It is called as chord. Okay, so I hope you understood the terms we used in the circle. One is radius, diameter, center of the circle, and chord. Sometimes we pronounce it as also chord. Both are same only. Okay, now I should proceed to the very most important exercise part. It is exercise practice time 2. So in your notebook, in your textbook. So here one more word will be arise. The length of the circle. The length of the circle. It is called as circumference. The length of the circle. It is called as circumference. Observe, dear children. Now I am proceeding to the exercise part. They have given different circles. So for the different circles, they have tabulated one thing. It is there in my practice time. It is 3. And look at the following circles carefully. Observe, dear children. So look at the following figures, circles carefully, and complete the table given below. They have given the table here. You need to complete this one. Afterwards, proceed to the second main, how to draw the circles. Okay. So here I am going to draw the first main, 2 circles. Here I am going to draw 2 circles. They only given the circles. The points are also they only given. Okay. So this is one circle. It is another circle. Okay. These are the two circles. They have given POQ. O. This is the center of circle. O. POQ. POQ. Then it is R. And one more line they have given like this. It is the lines points are ST. Yes, T. Okay, this is one circle, first circle. Now the second one is so like this. So this is the line AOB. So here there are two lines joined, one like this and another one like this. Which are those? CD. Now the tabulation column you observe or watch it carefully. So first one, serial number, radius or radii. Next, diameter, and then chord. So here there are 4 circles. I have taken only 2 circles. Remaining 2, do it yourselves, dear children. These are very simple questions. Once you understand, you will not forget it. Okay. So radius and radii. What are the difference between radius and radii? If the distance between center of the circle on any line, any point on the circle, it is called as radius. If it is only one length, then it is called as radius. If it is having more than 2, then those we called as radii. Plural form of radius is radii. Okay. So in the first diagram, how many radius are there or radii are there? PO or OP, OQ, OR are radius. Once again, OP, OQ and also OR are radius. OP is the first one. OQ is the another one radius. OR is also radius. These are the 3 radius. So we can say that it is radii. Now you observe the diameter. Diameter means any points, any 2 points on the circle, but it should passes through the center of the circle. Then it is called as diameter. If it is not passes through the center of circle, then it is called as chord. Okay. So here, how many diameters are there? So only one diameter. This is the line. It passes through the center of the circle. It is only one diameter is there. POQ. It is POQ. POQ is the radial diameter or POQ. Instead of writing 3 letters, we can say that it is PQ. PQ is the diameter. Next you come to chord. So dear children, chord means on the circle, if you are joining any 2 points, that line we called as chord. So here ST is a chord. ST is a chord. In your higher classes, you may say that, sir, PQ is also a chord. Yes, it is also a chord because diameter is the greatest chord in the circle. Other than greater than diameter, it is not available. Okay, the chord is ST. Now you come to the second figure. It is B. It is A. It has finished. Now you come to the second one. Which are the radius are there? You count it. OA, OB, OP, OD and OC. These are the radii. More than 2 radius we considered as radii. So OA, OB, OC and OD. So these are the radii. Now we come to the diameter. Dear children, can we say that OD is diameter? It is not diameter. Line any 2 points joining on the circle, it should passes from the center of the circle. So here then diameter becomes AB is the diameter. AB is the diameter, it passes from O. Okay, next you come to chart. Does they have given any chart here? No charts. So number of charts nil. So no need to write it. So remaining 2 questions you can fill the given blanks in this table. Okay, I hope you will finish this first main. Now I should proceed to the second main. Second main is very important, dear children. So once you understood, you will not forget it. See the second one. The second main is draw circles. Draw circles with the following radii. With the following radii and mark radius, center, radius and diameter and the diameter. So the first one is A. I have taken, I am giving different measurements. So you could do the problems given in your textbook itself. So the first one is 10 centimeter. Second one B, it is 12.5 centimeter. Here I am going to take 2 circles. That is having radius, one is 10 centimeter and another one is 12.5 centimeter. Dear children, when you are drawing the circle, you should use the ruler, that is the scale and also pair of compasses. Compasses you must use it, otherwise you will not get the radius accurately. But you are just drawing the circle, but the measurement is not correct if you are using the bangle or the coin. So that you need to use the compasses only. Dear children, so how to take the radius of 10 centimeter? So take out the ruler and keep the pointer at 0. Keep the pointer at 0 and fix it. One pointer is at 0 and the another point on your pencil, it should be 10 centimeter. You observe, I will show it once again, very close to the video or the camera. So 0 to 5 is there. Yes, accurately it will be there. Then when you are, once you fix it, don't change it. Once you fix it, again and again, you don't change the length, this length. Then you keep it on your notebook, draw the circle. Once you fix the point, you change the position of the center. So this is the circle is having the radius, it is 10 centimeter. So from here, the point also has to put where the pointer has kept, it is the center of circle. So this is the center of the circle. If you are joining any point on the circle and center of the circle, then it is called as radius. Observe here, OA, it is the radius. OA is the radius, and if you are keep continuing this point, this line, then it is called as B. So this AB, from A to B, this is called as diameter. From A to B, this length will be called as diameter, center of the circle, and radius you need to mention in the diagram. Okay, now you come to the second diagram, dear children. Second circle, the measurement is 12.5 centimeter. Take out the ruler and also the compasses. Then you keep the pointer exactly at O, and another point, that is in your pencil, it should be how much? It should have the length of 12.5 centimeter. So I hope you will take 12.5 centimeter. 11, 12. Okay, 12.5. So dear children, I have taken 12.5 centimeter radius. Put point on your notebook. Beginning only you put. Okay. From where you have kept, you keep the pointer of your compasses and draw the circle without changing the position of the pointer. If you change it, the circle become wrong. Okay. Now the circle has finished. Now you need to mention the points. This point O, what we have called O? O is the center of the circle. Center of the circle. If you join the center of the circle, any point on the circle, then it is called as X. OX is the radius. Then if you continue this line, then you will get Y. Then XY. From X to Y, this length we called as diameter. In this way, you draw the circles and mention the given words in the circle. Okay, I hope you will finish. Dear children, and look at the circle. In the third main, they have given the circle. Answer the following question. What is O? So observe here. Look at the circle and mention the following parts in that circle. So here the question is like this. Here is a circle. Here is a circle. Okay, it's the circle. Now, which are the points they have given? I am going to show it now. This is the center of the circle. HD. D, O, AB, A, B, then P, OC and OL. This is another one. It is Q. This is O only. Okay. Observe dear children. The first one is A. What is O? What is O here? It is center of the circle. Center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. From this point, the circle is moved around this point. So it is called as center of the circle. The next one is, what is HD? What is HD. Observe here children. HD. HD is the line. It passes through the center of the circle. Then the line it passes through the center. It is called as diameter. Diameter. Now see, what is OP? What is OP? OP, observe from O to P. It is radius. Radius of the circle. Next, what is AB? What is AB? Look at here, dear children. Any 2 points joining by using line, then it is called as chord. So it is chord. Okay. Next, EOC. What is OC? OC also, it is the line joining O and any point on the circle. See, it is radius. So in this way, you mark the next question also. Name the following. Dear students, they have given name the following for this circle. So I have explained this circle. You can do it the next circle by yourselves. Okay. So next question is state whether the following statements are true or false. One I should explain to you. Remaining one, try to do it yourselves. Okay, the diameter is the longest chord. Observe dear children, this is the diameter. The diameter is the longest chord. Yes, if you are joining any 2 points on the circle, then it is called as chord. What is the longest chord? It is the diameter. The line where it passes through the center of the circle, it is called as diameter. Diameter is the longest chord. Next B, the diameter is 2 times the circumference. Diameter is not 2 times the circumference. Diameter is 2 times the circle, radius of the circle. So it is false. Diameter is 2 times the circumference. It is wrong. Diameter is 2 times the radius. Because it is radius, it is also radius. If you add 2 times the radius, it will become 1 time diameter. Next one, circle can have only 1 diameter. Does it circle having only 1 diameter? Circle can have infinite, uncountable diameters. You can draw any n number of diameters. So here like this, you can draw n number, infinite diameters in the circle. So it is also false. Observe dear children, the next, the diameter passes through the center of the circle. Does diameter passes through the center of the circle? Yes. Then only we say that line is diameter. It is true. And the next one, a circle has no sides and no corners. Circles do not having any sides and also do not having any corners. It is true only. Many lines put together form circles. Many lines put together, does it form circle? Many points put together to form circles. So it is false. Many points put together after one. So observe here, if you are joining the points like this, you are obtaining the circles. So many lines put together, you are not getting circle. So it is false. Dear children, I hope I explained all the questions, all the types of questions given in the My Practice Time 3. It is there in the page number 113 and 114. Try to do remaining questions by yourselves. Dear students, in the next class, I am going to take a new chapter and I'll meet you in the next class. Thank you everyone. If you are having any doubts in the regular classes, we are going to explain it once again. Have a nice day. Bye bye dear children.